Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to organize your Help Center topics instead of a boring, plain FAQ page? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely engaging. Today we're adding this Help Center footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 1. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, search for SK Help Center Footer, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First option here is page width, which is already set to max. I'll leave that as is. Below that, the section's background color already looks good too. Now let's move to the right column settings. I'll change its heading to category since that's what I want to showcase here, and I'll adjust the rest of its settings. Colors, padding, size, letter spacing, and quite a few similar options based on my own needs. After that comes the typewriter text that keeps typing on the right side. Let's change its heading to subscribe. You should go ahead and do that too. Next comes the animation speed, which you can adjust as needed. After that is a layout 2 setting, not much to explain there. And lastly, there's desktop top and bottom padding. Once you've adjusted all that, let's close this and click on the first topic. Here you'll find settings for each row you select, and you can add any link you'd like. I don't have a real link ready, so I'll just add a collection instead. You'll customize every row the same way. I'll just do this one for now as an example. Last part here is the right column settings, where you can only customize the heading, whatever message you want to display. I'll go ahead and update the headings for these 4 right now. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.